Hi everyone, welcome to One of Down Under channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken satay using only 3 ingredients. The first ingredient that you need is the satay seasoning mix that you can find in Asian grocery store everywhere. You will also need a coconut cream. For the chicken, you need chicken breast and you will cut it as a bite size. Now you can marinate your chicken by putting coconut cream in and add a mixing powder in. For the beef mixing powder we're gonna use is for the satay sauce. Mix all the ingredients very well and then leave it to marinate overnight. My tip for using the bamboo skewer is to soak in the water for a long time so they won't get burned. Put all the chicken on the skewers and then pop in the grill about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Now it's time to make a cucumber dressing salad by putting 4 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 5 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt, and dissolve all the sugar on the medium heat, then take it out to cool down. Now I'm gonna make the satay sauce by putting the packet beef mixing sauce with the coconut milk for 180 ml. After that, I will put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the sauce. Now my chicken is turning brown on one side. I will turn it over. It should take another 10 minutes. You can cut cucumber and mint leaf to put in your salad dressing. There you have it, the chicken satay with salad dressing and chicken satay sauce.